Hello guys, my name is Giowendra. In this video, I wanna tell you about how to installing your PC of computer. Okay, stay tuned. It is cheaper to install a computer by yourself than purchase a computer that is already built. The part of the computer can be purchased from computer stores that sell used computer parts. Installing a computer by yourself is also an as you will learn how the computer works, and you can repair the computer by your problems with it. Material needed: CPU, power supply, monitor, motherboard, CPU fan, RAM, hard drive, disk drive, video card, sound card, screwdriver, and screw. Okay, step 1. Before beginning to install your computer, you need to make sure that all the computer parts that you have are with each other. Step 2. Now, get your motherboard. Be careful in handling the motherboard so as not to make it connect the CPU pins the motherboard. Careful, push the motherboard in place. Next, step 3 is install the CPU fan on your motherboard. This device cools the computer down, avoid overheating of the computer. Don't install the motherboard yet. Next, step 4. After installing the fan, install the RAM in place on the motherboard. The RAM is the memory of the computer. Gently push the RAM chip inside the slot. There are clips on either side of the RAM slot. Secure the RAM chip in place by using the clips. Step 5. Now you have installed the major components. After installing the major components of the computer, install the motherboard inside the computer case. Secure the motherboard in place. Step 6. After you have secured the motherboard in place, you can install the power source. The power source has wires connected to it. Connect a wire to the motherboard and to the device inside the case. You can check the user manual of the power source to know which cable to connect to a specific device. Step 7. Install the hard drive. There is a slot on the computer case designed to hold the drive. Make sure the hard drive is placed by using the screw. Get one of the wires connect. Step 8. Finally, install the CD-ROM drive. Slide the CD-ROM drive on slot and connect the power source cable to the CD-ROM drive. Okay guys, this is the ending of my video. I'm sorry if there's something wrong. Thank you for watching, and big thanks to my lecturer, Ma'am Grace Ponto. See you on my next video. Bye.